Hi everybody, welcome to week 3, module 3. I did go in and grade and give some feedback on your posts from the first week. So again, I've given you a due date to try to keep you on track. If something comes up and you didn't get to do it that week, that's fine. You can go back and make up anything that you've missed, and I'll be able to see it in the grade book because it shows up just a little bit differently. So this week we're going to be looking at embracing your true, authentic self. So sometimes early in your career, it's a challenge to be authentic because you want to fit in and you want to succeed and you want to do well. But hopefully, as you grow and develop as a person and as a leader, you get to focus in on your true, authentic self, and you get to present yourself the way that you want to, the way you intend to. So first, we've got a video on what is authenticity. So go ahead and take a look at that. Then your assignment, your first assignment, is to watch this video and then evaluate, is this person authentic? Would you believe? Why? And what impact? And then respond to 2 posts I have there. That would be the goal each time, is that you would read and respond to at least 2 other people in the class. And then the written assignment is really about you reflecting on and embracing your authentic self. So the assignment to create your leadership brand. So there's some information for you there on the written assignment. So submit that and that'll just come to me. I think that's the end of this week. Oh, there's an option. So again, I went in and tried to cut down the amount of work because the students from last semester said it was too much work for a 0 credit class. So I'm leaving in the assignments that we took out as options in case you're interested in kind of personal reflection and self-development. So that's all for this week. Let me know if you have any questions.